Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dumebi, and today I'm feeling all bougie. Today's tutorial is about this makeup. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. I'm so excited that I'm even saying rubbish. You guys just shall understand. Anyway, so this look shows that I invented the color yellow. Yellow looks so gorgeous on dark skin. Any bright color looks gorgeous on dark skin. I think I'm living proof of that right now. So you guys, to know how I achieved this look, I'm going to be showing you guys, so just keep watching, but be sure to subscribe and like this video. Don't watch my video if you're not going to subscribe and like. Anyways, about this hair, I actually made this wig from start to finish. Yes, from start to finish, me, I made it myself. Yes. It was actually my first time making this, and this is a lace frontal wig. So to check out how I did that, just check out my last video that I dropped last Friday, and you'll see how I did it from start to finish. So let's just get right into the make right. Oh my god, let's just get right into the makeup tutorial already. Oh, so fabulous. To begin, I'm just going to be priming my eyes using my LA Girl Pro Primer up into my crease. Just tap this right in. I'll be taking this powder from Office Cosmetics to serve as my first transition. It's a flesh tone color and it's lighter than me. I'm going to be placing this up here with a blending brush with tapping motions. So now I'm going to be going into my Morphe palette. I'll be taking this yellow shade right here as my next transition color and placing it in my crease. So I'll just blend them together. Now I'll take that same yellow shade that I used for my transition and apply it on my lid area. So now I'm just going to blend with that same blending brush. When blending matte shadows, you don't swipe too hard, because when you do, you know matte shadows are like powdery, so that could like be taking off the color. So I just pat slightly to blend. So I'm done blending. For my brow highlight, I'm going to be using a combination of this shade and this shade right here, these two. So I'm done lining my eyes. I'm just going to be going over my natural lashes with some mascara. For my falsies, I'm going to be using these really dramatic lashes because the eye makeup look is kind of like simple, you know, matte shadows, one color eyeshadow. So I really need dramatic lashes for this look, and this is actually unbranded, but at the back is written 077, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm feeling so good. Okay, so now I'll just be taking the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk and applying it in my lower waterline. So at this point, I'll be moving on to do my face. So guys, to prime my face, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Prep and Prime, and the nozzle is going to drench me, so I just have to make sure I put it, cover my eye, I put it far from my face. So. Ooh, my eye makeup. Okay, rub it around with my hand. I'm going to be taking the NYX Illuminator in Pure Gold to highlight my face first before I go in with my foundation. I kind of just inhale the particles of this Prep and Prime, and it's kind of sweet. I don't recommend you guys do that though. So you can see this is just a very subtle free highlight. For my foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha. So now I'm going to be using the NARS concealer to highlight my face. So the second concealer I'll be using is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. So because the NARS has a pinky look to it, I want something with a bit of yellow to complement my skin tone more for my highlights. You can see them side by side. This is more pinky, while this is more yellowy. Just be taking some of my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn to clean my wing liner, to clean it up and make it sharper. Now to set my highlight, I'll just be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just pressing it in. So I'm going to be taking my Glams powder in the shade Brown Chocolate 212 to dust off my highlights and apply basically on the whole of my face. And I'm using a powder brush by Mary Kay. This was a gift from my auntie and I've had it for a while. I haven't tried it out. This is very synthetic, very synthetic. So it feels quite different from my brush that I'm used to using, but well, it can do the job. I'm using a smaller brush from Mary Kay to contour. Now that the nose is snatched, the jaw or the chin area. So now I'm going to be drenching myself in this MAC Prep and Prime once again. Always remember to protect the eye area. This is just a struggle. I hope this doesn't ruin my makeup though. So, oh, I got some already in my mouth. Yeah. Not as sweet as I was thinking. I actually did this because I thought my makeup was looking a little too powdery, so I decided to drench myself, and I'm hoping I have not ruined this makeup by now. And I probably should have done this after the blush. I don't know what I was thinking. I'll be using this blush by Liz Remix, one of my favorite blushes. The pigmented purple, perfect for darker, richer skin tones like mine. So if you're like my skin tone or darker than me, this is just going to be perfect on you. For my highlights, I'll be taking this very pitiful but powerful highlight from my classic face kit. So using a small brush, I'll just be taking some of my LA Girl Pro Primer and priming my lower lid because I'm going to be smoking out that area. So now that I'm done, I'll use that same brush to take some of that yellow eyeshadow that I used here and just place it just below my lash line. I'm just replacing that darker color underneath the yellow in the outer corner. For my lips, I'm using a combination of Morphe lipstick in Bloodshot and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in... okay, I can't see the name. I'll be going in with the NYX just to outline the lips now. So I'm just going to be going in with a bit of gloss. Guys, last minute, I'm just going to be putting on some glitter. I'm so excited, I can't even just talk properly. Wow, this is popping. If I see this tutorial, I want to watch it. I'll just pop on some glitter right here. Glitters are the icing on the cake which is my eye basically. Okay guys, so since I've been having these things right here, they are not pimples, they are not rashes, I don't know what they are, and I've been very consistent with my skincare, the scrubs, night cream, toner, blah blah blah. I think I owe you guys a video on skincare, but basically I've been very consistent with it, and I still don't know, these things have been here for like over a week now. I can't explain it, but since they have decided to be there, they are going to be there fashionably. I'm going to turn one of them into a move. Let me teach you guys one little trick. So I'm just going to take my eyeliner and just put it here. Now, how does that look? It's a mole. I think one is enough. I'm not going to tamper with the others. So this is the finished look. I'm just going to throw on my wig and be right back. So guys, I'm just going to be spraying my face once again. Oh, so fabulous.